Kitten with hat. This is the topic of today's video. I'm going to show you what it is, how you can purchase it, and why I'm creating this video. We had dog with hat and that skyrocketed up in price, and now I'm going to talk about something that's called kitten with hat. So this is the website of Kitten with Hat, and I'm just going to dive straight into this video. So this is the website of Kitten with Hat. You can go to this website and check it out yourself. So this is just an image of the kitten with cat or kitten with hat. Tokenomics. Symbol is kitten with. Supply 1 billion. Liquidity 60%. Locked 1 year. Additional lock tokens says exchanges team, and wait, so 10% and that's 15%, 75%, so 75% is locked. So what's with the 35%? Is that something you're going to sell? Not quite sure about that one, but first Solana pink cell ever, 5 badges, SAFU, docs, KYC, audit, AMA. So they have a little roadmap here. P1 crawl, website and social launch, pink cell, private and group features, Twitter, pink cell fair launch, Dex view trending, Dex screener, track listing, YouTube reviews. I'm not a influencer partnership with this coin. I just want to say that. So this is not financial advice in any way. I'm just showing you something here. PooCoin, Dex tools. Yeah, so that's partners. And now I'm going to go in depth about the actual coin itself. Kitten with Hat is launched on the Solana chain, and I'm going to just show you a bit about the Dex screener here. So as you see here, this is the 50 minutes I would like to have a daily there. Now, I think this coin just launched, so not a lot of info there. So they had a little pump there, and what I'm interested in is the actual buying versus selling pressure. So they have a bit of buying pressure there, but as you see on this page here, the exchanges that actually has this coin are only these exchanges here. No SEX, only DEX exchanges. So they have on Raydium, Orca, and Jupiter, and Dodo, and yeah, whatever down below there. So if you want to purchase this coin, you will need to go to Raydium, and you will need to put in specific thing on Raydium itself. I'm just going to show you a bit here. Raydium. What you need to do is you need to launch the app here, and then you will need to log in, and then you choose what coin you want to buy here, and quite self-explanatory. If you want a video on how you can actually buy the coin on Raydium or those other DEX exchanges. So when a coin launches, okay, launches on Jupiter, Orca, and Raydium almost instantly, okay? So MEXC and KuCoin and all of those other exchanges comes afterwards. So this is still very early in the coin development process here, but 19%, the trading volume last 24 hours has gone down by 19%. So this is still a very new coin. They have 1 billion coins there, but they have a fully diluted market cap of $5.9 million. Okay, so this is very early, low cap coin, and I suspect that if this coin launches on other exchanges, I think this coin could actually skyrocket in price. Why am I saying this? Because you saw this with Dog with Hat, and we can actually go in and look at that coin. I did a video very early in the process, and that coin skyrocketed like nothing I've ever seen. So Dog with Hat, $2.53. It's gone down a bit now, but a meme coin that has no utility and has over a price of over 2.54 cents. That's quite a lot, okay? Just saying. So if this coin does the same, they will need to burn a bit of tokens, okay? And I want to know what happened with that 35% that's not locked. Is that something Kitten with Hat is going to sell on the exchanges once it launches, or are they here for long term? So we have 7 different things I want answers to. If you are one of the founders of Kitten with Hat, make sure you comment below this video, because the 35% is almost 50%. So let's say this coin launches on MEXC and they sell 35% of all tokens on the exchange. That's something I'm quite afraid about, actually. I think they should actually burn some tokens. If I would launch a coin, I would have a coin with probably maximum 50 million coins. Okay, 1 billion coins is a lot of freaking tokens. Okay, and we can see how many Dog with Hat has. They have around the same thing here. They have almost 1 billion, and they have a market cap of 2 billion. That's insane. That's insane. So if this does the same, it's still very early in the process. 5.95 million market cap. That's early. Okay. So if you want to support my channel, I do a lot of videos, and I do daily videos on different type of tokens. I'm not always right. Sometimes my price predictions are wrong. Just saying. So this is not financial advice in any way. You should not invest more than you have to lose in any cryptocurrency out there. Okay, just saying. So I hope you like this video on Kitten with Hat. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with all of your wonderful friends. And I hope you all have a great day. Make sure you learn as much as humanly possible inside of crypto, and eventually you will earn, my friend. Make sure you share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.